Welcome to something truly groundbreaking. You're about to discover the most innovative products and business opportunity of our time. In the next few minutes, you'll see how you can be part of a global movement that's transforming lives, using technology, wellness, and the power of community. Let's dive in. Think about it. Every time a major technology revolution has happened, it's changed everything. Electricity, the internet, smartphones. Each one didn't just improve life. It created massive economic booms. The people who saw the wave early are the ones who rode it to success. But the biggest shift in history, it's happening right now, and it's called artificial intelligence. This isn't a trend, it's a total transformation, and it's only just getting started. AI is already reshaping our world, from personal health to enterprise strategy, from entertainment to education, governments to startups. AI is redefining what's possible. It's changing how we live, how we work, and how we grow. And now you have a chance to be part of that revolution. Experts predict AI will add over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Yes, trillion, with a T. Right now, big tech companies are investing billions to dominate this space. But what if you could claim your piece of this future, not as a spectator, but as a participant? If you had the chance to take part in this booming trillion-dollar wave, would you sit back and watch it happen, or would you grab your seat at the table? The opportunity is real. The question is, will you act on it? Introducing Vyvo, a bold name, a bold mission, and a technology-driven company that's redefining the future of wellness, AI, and income creation. If you've been waiting for a business that's built for the future, this is it. Vyvo is led by tech visionary Fabio Galdi, a pioneer in innovation. From AI to blockchain to wearable tech, Vyvo is always ahead of the curve. With global recognition from NASDAQ, Deloitte, Red Dot, and IF Design Awards. This isn't hype. It's a company with real-world credibility and proven results. What makes Vyvo different? It's not just built for the community, it's owned by the community. Here, you're not just a customer. You're a co-creator, a market shaper, a wealth builder. Vyvo empowers its members to be at the center of innovation and income. And that changes everything. Get ready for the next game changer. VyvoAI, your personal life co-pilot. This isn't just another device or app. It's an AI operating system that learns who you are, responds like a trusted friend, and protects your data like no one else can. VyvoAI is here to support your life, your wellness, and your future, with privacy built in. At Vyvo, we believe artificial intelligence should be more than just a digital assistant. It should be a true life companion, supporting every part of your daily journey. From managing routines to making life easier, this is the kind of tool that doesn't just help, it becomes essential. Imagine a future where every person has their own AI Life CoPilot. That's the future Vyvo is building. Just like Bill Gates brought a computer into every home, just like Steve Jobs put a smartphone in every hand, Vyvo is on a mission to bring a life co-pilot to every life, and we're making it happen now. From your morning routine to life's biggest choices, VyvoAI is there, helping you stay focused, supporting your health, guiding your daily life in real time. Once you use it, you won't want to go a day without it. It's smart, helpful, and yes, it even feels like a friend. Scan the codes to see real-life teasers of VyvoAI in action. What makes Vyvo's AI platform different? First, it's built on blockchain, giving you full control and privacy over your data. It's adaptive, meaning it learns and evolves with you. It's designed with a human touch, friendly, proactive, and intuitive. And it works like a full operating system, syncing your apps, calendar, browser, and more. VyvoAI isn't just smart, it's connected. When paired with the Vyvo BioSense wearable line, your AI becomes a real-time wellness coach. It tracks your body, your health, your needs, and responds instantly. It's proactive, it's personal, and it's always by your side. VyvoAI is on a mission to build the world's first decentralized AI operating system, focused on managing health, wellness, and lifestyle. This is a total game changer. Imagine an AI that gives you full control over your data, delivers deeply personal insights, and transforms your daily life. It's not just another assistant. It's a revolution in how AI serves you. While others chase data, Vyvo puts you in the driver's seat. So how much does it cost to have your own life co-pilot? Just $19.99 a month. For less than the price of a daily coffee habit, you get an intelligent wellness system, daily support, and total privacy. All in one. That's incredible value for something this powerful. Want your slice of the AI and tech revolution? Vyvo is your gateway. This isn't just about buying a product, it's about joining a movement, one where you can benefit financially from the world's most exciting technology trends. And you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Let's be clear. Vyvo SocialFi is not traditional direct selling or network marketing. There are no kits, no inventory, no forced auto ship, no pressure to sell. It's a smarter, more modern way to earn from something you already love and share naturally. Vyvo SocialFi redefines influencer marketing. It's an invitation-only community of people passionate about new tech. When you share Vyvo with your friends and community, you create impact and earn. Every product shared, every device sold, rewards everyone involved. It's a true community-powered model where influence meets innovation. With Vyvo SocialFi, you don't just get amazing products, you unlock a world of rewards. Whether it's lifestyle bonuses, community recognition, or passive income, Vyvo rewards you for sharing what you love. It's connection, it's community, it's lifestyle redefined. Every time you invite someone to Vyvo, they become your connection. And when they make a purchase, you get rewarded instantly. We're talking payouts in seconds. No delays, no waiting for months, just real income in real time. But it doesn't stop there. You're also part of a larger Vyvo community. And every time someone in your community makes a purchase, you earn again. This is the power of residual income. The bigger your community, the bigger your passive rewards. Thanks to VyvoAI subscriptions, these rewards can grow fast and keep growing. Vyvo rewards more than your wallet. It rewards your lifestyle. Every year you can qualify for luxury travel experiences and global recognition events. These are more than just vacations. They're powerful, shared moments with people who believe in the same mission. People just like you. Want to learn the full details of how the Vyvo Rewards program works? Just scan the code. You'll discover how your influence turns into residual income, and how that income can turn into freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, life freedom. Joining Vyvo SocialFi is simple. All you need is the Hub console. It's your personal digital business tool, helping you connect with others, access AI-powered support, and build your community effortlessly. No inventory, no hassle. Just one smart activation to start your journey. Ready to step into the future? Grab the exclusive VyvoAI Family Bundle. It includes 4 full-year subscriptions, 1 Hub console, and 12 free 1-month vouchers, all for just $750. That's a $155 saving and an instant way to empower your family or start your business fast. Plus, you'll unlock future integrations like calendar, email, task management, and more. This special offer won't last. Get the 1-year family bundle now and receive 12 personal vouchers. Each one unlocks a 1-month VyvoAI Life CoPilot experience. Let your friends and family try it, love it, and join you in this revolution. This is your moment. Share it. AI runs on one thing, GPU power, and Vyvo is building a decentralized GPU cloud. Starting with our first farm in Dallas, Texas, lives since March 2025. Normally, this kind of infrastructure is a cost burden, but at Vyvo, it's a shared business opportunity, built for the community and owned by the community. Now you can co-own GPU clusters and earn from the AI boom. With cluster packages starting at just $1,000 and returns scaling up to 28%, this is a powerful way to support Vyvo's infrastructure and grow your stake in the future. It's a bold move, but the timing couldn't be better. Vyvo isn't just building products. We're building history. Our mission? 1 million empowered users in our first year. That's not just a goal. It's a movement. One powered by community, driven by ownership, and built on opportunity. And we want you to be part of it. Mark your calendars. The biggest Vyvo event of the year is coming, the International Convention in Singapore, November 22nd, 2025. It'll be packed with innovation, energy, and life-changing inspiration. You don't want to miss this. This is your moment. Don't miss your chance to be part of something truly massive. Ask the person who invited you for their link or invitation code and take the next step. The future isn't waiting. Join Vyvo now.